I have the Doorbell 3 by Ring, and I'm going to show you how to easily remove the battery to recharge it. Take your screwdriver tool from your Ring doorbell kit, unscrew the one screw at the bottom of the Ring faceplate. If you're missing your tool, you can actually use a T15 hollow point bit for unscrewing this. Pull off the faceplate and press the silver button that's at the bottom of the doorbell to release the battery, gripping both sides of the battery and pull down. Next, connect your charging cable that came with your kit. You will see a red and green light for it to be charging, and then whenever it's done charging, the lights will be green. Next, take the battery and slide it in where it clicks into place. Next, take the faceplate and position it, snap it on, then take the little screw, tighten it, and then you're done. I feel protected by using the Doorbell 3 by Ring. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.